Defense attorneys for former Limestone County Sheriff Mike Blakely in court Wednesday arguing the grounds of their latest appeal.
The state's attorney general's office, who prosecuted Blakely in 2021, also arguing their case. News 19's Carmen Fuentes joins us in the studio with more. Carmen?
Yeah, Lauren, Steve, although former Sheriff Blakely was not present in the Limestone County Courthouse Thursday, both Blakely's defense team and prosecutors with the state's attorney general's office met with the newly appointed retired judge Tim Jolly. Prosecutors argued why the court should dispose of the claims of the Rule 32 petition filed by the defense, which Blakely's defense disagreed with. Of course, Judge Pamela Beshab's state bar license is the reason for the defense's Rule 32 petition, their latest attempt at appealing Blakely's conviction. Blakely's attorneys are arguing that the retired judge's lack of proper license to practice law at the time of Blakely's criminal trial means the proceedings were unconstitutional and the former sheriff should get a retrial. The state told retired Marshall County Judge Tim Jolly that the claims within the petition do not entitle Blakely to any relief. Judge Jolly did not make a decision on the matter Wednesday, but the state argued that Blakely's claims fail procedurally because they could have been raised at trial or during his direct appeal, but they were not. The defense says it presumed that the judge's affairs were in order when she was appointed to the case. In August 2021, Blakely was found guilty on 2 counts and not guilty on 8 counts by a jury following a trial that lasted more than 2 weeks. He is currently serving his sentence in the Franklin County Jail. Judge Jolly says that he will issue a ruling on the state's motion for summary disposition, the effort to dispose of all the defense's claims with its Rule 32 petition. That'll come at a later time. If he does not grant the state's motion, the judge says that he will confer with the parties about a date that works for everyone for the Rule 32 hearing.